So, we are leaving today. We were supposed to leave March 5, but we changed plans and we said we were going to leave the 22nd. But today's like the 19th or something, or not, the 20th, I think. And, sorry, the 20th. And we decided to leave today, change of plans again. I threw on some clothes and headed down to the beautiful beach, the beautiful sound, to say goodbye to it.
Well, we are headed out unexpectedly. We just said goodbye to Darren's brother yesterday and all our family, and we just felt like it's time to go. Time to go back. Time to go back to Virginia. We're ready to go home. We had our spot for a while until March. We asked if our new friends could move their place, their RV over there, because that would be a blessing for them. The owner, nobody gave us an answer yet. That wasn't very reassuring, but all that said, the realtor that listed some of our places back in Virginia texted us a picture. We can insert that here. The cellar was flooded. That was a picture from a realtor doing a showing. So between that and just really feeling like a stirring that we wanted to get back, between those two things, we've decided to get up this morning and hit the road. Yesterday was a perfect day to end our time here with the cousins on the beach all day long. A beautiful sunset, an amazing time with our family. We were ready to go. So, Virginia bound. A donations only restaurant. I literally thought Darren and I were the only crazy ones to ever do something like that. That is amazing. We are somewhere in Alabama. Unbelievable. I thought thirst was the only one. That is amazing. Unbelievable.
What? Don't rewind it. Why do you keep rewinding?
Mercy!
Stop rewinding.
Mercy! Mercy! What was that? I literally just hit record. Yeah, that was kind of, we made it. First stop, 6 hours. Staying at a hotel tonight. It's gonna be amazing to sleep in a king-size bed that does not have a divide down the middle like the queen sleeper sofa in the RV. I heard that, Bud. That was very kind of startling. All 6 kiddos made it 6 hours. So proud of you guys. I said 202, babe. That is not our room. You gonna knock on somebody's door? Housekeeping? What do you think? Yay, we're at the end of the hall. That's amazing. Amazing. God loves us. We're at the end of the hall, so
So we're just at the end of the hall.
Yeah. Corner suite.
Your phone opens the door.
Oh, let me do that.
Older in here.
Da, 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 da. Amazing. This is our room for the night. You guys get your own bed with the couch. And we get the king size bed. Yes.
You know
What?
what?
Yes?
I wish I could do this too.
Oh, hey, look at what we're looking at.
What?
I guess this is the perfect room.
Somebody's gonna block me in, no, because I'll bang on the window.
Bang! No, you're not complete.
That's so...
Get off me.
In no time.
They're trying to go in the elevators.
Well, that's where we have to go. What are you gonna jump off?
Right
Down there to the
No,
bottom?
I just told them someone hit the button. Can I hit the button, please? I'm hitting it. I want to hit 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 it. You hit it last time. You hit it last time.
It's okay. Just hit one. Let the man take care of you. Gotta teach you girls how to be taken care of. Golly dang, this girl power doesn't get you too far once you have to do everything on your own. Then you just get better.
There is some girl power, though.
Of course there. This place has a cooked, made-to-order breakfast for everybody, which is amazing. Mercy, though, is enjoying a piece of Ezekiel bread and a banana. Back in Virginia, the most beautiful state there is.
From the moment that we met, you're worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Oh,
Babe, it looks like I'm gonna be bringing home the bacon today. It's been a long time coming. Told you, just stuck with me. You just stuck with me, I told you, I'll figure it out.
Did you just bring home some coffee with the bacon?
Well, that's in Luray. Or Harrisonburg, now that we discovered that.
That is Jackie right there.
Mr. John, he's the only guy I know that can text and drive a forklift.
Literally, he was texting while he had.
Kid, look at you, you big boy. Unfortunately, I don't have space in this trash can.
It's the other one.
I need to roll.
The other one's good.
It's full. Let me help you. Oh boy, you did it! Say, you big boy! Yes!
Awesome!
Look at that big boy. You want me to go get the other trash can?
Morningstar?
Yeah.
I want to get all of this stuff. Because Addie has this cool rake, so
Nice.
we were getting all the trash out too.
All right. Good job, guys. Good job, Addie. So proud of you.
Oh, sorry. Good job.
Good job, Chapman. You plumbing today? Putting us in a French drain
No, they're done clear.
before the rocks come?
I'm putting in a cistern
A cistern.
off this roof.
Well, you figure out how to put a cistern in from this basement here, we'd have water to feed the whole town.
Exactly.
Golly day. It's Allegra, you did it. Holy smokes, girl.
Chapman, move. I'm not putting that out anymore.
Oh, you did it. You did it.
Hire this to the top.
Oh, you did it.
Alright, I'm gonna do it first.
You guys are awesome. Oh, knocked it down. Coffee time. Woo, don't spill it. So we've been detoured. We've had some major problems at some buildings that we have back where we used to live. Making the most of things here as I'm spilling a little bit of my coffee.
Thank you.
Hello. You making a paper airplane? Yes.
She's so pretty in that color.
Yes. What are we doing here, babe? Golly day. Having coffee right now.
Anyway.
Still listen to music that loud?
Main Street has its pitfalls. When it rains, it pours. We've had a couple rough days, so we wanted to kind of conceptualize all of that within a video. But we drove back to Virginia from Florida unexpectedly. We did not plan this. And we did because our realtor sent us a picture of one of our buildings, which I had put in a previous video when we were driving back to Virginia.
What'd you put in the video?
You haven't edited that video yet. But I said, we got a picture, we're driving to Virginia. Go ahead and insert it here. Or we'll insert it here. So anyway, we'll insert it here again. So this is the basement crawl space of one of our places. And so as we were driving back to Virginia, Darren was in front of me with the RV. I was behind him with the kids in the van, and we were talking. And it came to my memory that we've actually been sent 3 photos from 3 different realtors showing 3 different properties of ours.
If you're looking for real estate in Virginia, we have prime property available for you to purchase ASAP. You will need a flood insurance.
Yeah. So anyway, so the basement crawl space in one of our other buildings flooded, and that was on the third showing that we were going to get a contract on.
Oh boy.
We never got the contract. Wonder why. And then the boiler flooded in one of our other buildings.
The boiler
flooded.
was flooded. It didn't flood. A flood happened where our boiler was located. I don't know.
No. In the boiler
Oh,
broke.
that one.
Yeah. So yeah, and so then this third one was this picture. So anyway, all those things happened over the course of us being out of town, and at that point we had an amazing beach day. We saw Darren's family, our family, Darren's brother. I don't like that. Your family might. Anyway, yeah. So the point is, we really felt like it was time to get on the road, and it was time to head back home. And so we headed back to Virginia, and we thought we were heading back to where we've been staying, but we really felt like we were supposed to head back here because we had all these issues.
So here we are. It's supposed to snow.
It's 80 degrees today.
So we come from the beach to the snow, so we have to stay here until things get fixed.
So the boiler is not working. So that's kind of the thing. So the picture that we showed where there was a big flood, the blessing of it.
Those scissors, little man. Thank you. That's not being careful. There you go. That's being careful.
The blessing of it is that we had the boiler looked at this morning. We thought it was going to be really bad. It is fixable, but it's not working right now. It's fixable in like a couple hours, but because it's Thursday, he is actually going out of town this weekend, and he can't get to it until next week. So that building, which is a historic property, does not have any source of heat. And so because it's dropping into the 20s several nights, we actually now are here unexpectedly a lot longer than we had thought, because we don't want any pipes to freeze and then cause more of an issue. So we're gonna get some space heaters and drip the faucets and just kind of take care of the place. And while we're here, we're Facebook marketplacing things to just be picked up for free. We're trying to purge while we're here because we still have just stuff everywhere. And we're praying, like we're praying a lot. This is all such a curveball for us. And these 3 properties, which are all actually located on the same block, are not selling. Everything else has sold. So we have made all of our plans, and our steps are being ordered out very differently than what our plans are.
Insert verse. Cheers. Cheers, me girl. Because what we do have that will never change is each other and our family.
And what we have learned, I guess, what we've learned living in this RV is we don't need much to live. We are actually less stressed in smaller spaces because it's less to clean up. And the kind of the gardening things that have been coming in front of us and the things we want to do don't take hundreds of acres. And yeah, so it's just like, you know, our hands are open. We're really, yeah. But living in an RV for 2 months with 6 kids and pregnant with your 7th teaches you a lot.
Teaches you how much you love a king size real bad.
Now that, that is the reality. I could probably do anything, but please, please just let me have a king size bed.
Let's talk about our first world problems here. Oh boy. It's been a journey, babe. We're doing this thing.
It's been a journey, and
Hey,
now
don't leave us. It's just getting interesting now. It's just getting fun. We're just getting started.
now we're literally like, what are we doing? Where are we living? What does making a home look like? Who knows? Who knows? But what we do know, this is what we know. We know that Virginia is home. Right?
I love America. I love Tennessee. But there is nothing like the state of Virginia, people.
Yeah.
I don't care where you're from, where you live. Virginia is...
For lovers.
That's it.
And if you're a lover, not a fighter,
In all seriousness,
move to
yes,
Virginia.
We have...
Virginia, this 2
That's
months
the one
solidified
thing-
for us
yes,
that Virginia is home.
That's the one thing we have.
I love the panhandle
Set
of
in stone.
Florida. We will vacation there. That is officially
And that place
our
is beautiful.
vacation spot. That is the most beautiful place.
So Virginia is home.
Virginia is home.
I'm glad we chose HOMELAND. I'd be real proud of if we were headed to Florida.
That would have been. Virginia is home. I mean, that's huge though. To have solidified that is, yeah.
Let's feed these kids.
You hungry?
They ate 30 minutes ago and apparently they're hungry.
Fifth lunch, right in the middle of coffee time.
See that's what happened.
Let me throw it.
Throw better.
Let me throw it. Let me throw that
It
thing.
doesn't work.
Let me
See?
throw that thing.
It's because Dad throws better. See, we can't throw it.
This is like a little airstrip out here, y'all.
It's just because Dad can.
Well, that baby wants to get out. Anytime we need to think, we go to the park with our kids.
Addie is vaulting. Vaulting at the park.